Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Daddy's Barbecue Pit. It's getting close to football season, and today we're going to make you a Sloppy Joe dip. We're going to add just a little bit of oil to our hot pan here, and we're going to put in 2 pounds. This is some organic ground beef. We're going to get this in the pot, get it cooked up, get it brown. We're going to start adding our other ingredients. Okay, we're about halfway there on our burger that we're browning. We're going to go ahead and add 1 whole diced onion. And if you want to use a white onion or a sweet onion, that's fine. Either one will work just fine. And we got 2 diced green peppers. Now, if you wanted just to be a little hotter, you could throw in a couple jalapenos. We're going to keep it mild. We're just using green pepper. So from there, we're going to add, this is 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of flour. Got 4 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now we're going to give this all a good mix. We're going to continue to let it cook until those onions and green pepper soften just a little bit and everything is combined thoroughly. Okay, we actually had to switch pots because the other one wasn't quite big enough. But we got everything transferred in here. It's brown the way we want it. The peppers and onions are soft and translucent. We're just going to hit it with some of this Killer Hogs AP and some honey chipotle Heath Riles. So just light with this. Just give it a little pop. You're going to give this a good mix. Now to this mixture, we're going to add 2 cups of chicken stock. You can use just chicken broth, or you could actually use beef stock for this as well. So 2 cups of that. We're going to add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 cup of ketchup. Use your favorite kind. This is Heinz. I think it's the only one made in America. We're going to stir this up real good, and we're going to let this simmer. Okay, we've let this mixture simmer for about 45 minutes. You can see it got nice and thick. Looks more like a traditional Sloppy Joe. We're going to go ahead and pour it into a oven-safe pan here, and we're going to add some cheese to it. So we're just going to pour this in. Get all that in there. Now we have one cup of cheddar cheese. We're going to spread this on. About half of it you're going to put on first, and we're going to mix it in. Just going to mix it down in. You have to stir it a little bit, that's fine. And we're going to add the rest of the top, and we're going in. We got our broiler set in our oven. We're going to get this nice and brown and crispy on top. We're going to pull it out and give it a try. Okay, we got our broiler running at 550. We're about 4 inches from the top of that broiler. We're going to let it sit in there. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. I'm going to set the timer and check it because this thing will cook very quick. Oh, perfect. Okay, so we put this in the broiler for about 3 minutes is all it took. You can see it got nice and dark, crispy, caramelized nice. We're going to go ahead and give this a try. We just have some slices of bread. If you wanted to use Tostitos or the little bread chips, you could use that too. Try to get some of this. Nice and ooey gooey. Smells amazing. Can't wait to try it. It's really good. Tastes just like a Sloppy Joe or hamburger barbecue, some people call it. It's really good. It's nice and creamy. This would make a great tailgate. We got football season coming up. I gotta give me another bite. Give that recipe a try. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some. I'll put that on a damn sandwich. Good stuff.